Welcome to Differentiation Part II, and today we will be looking at the natural exponential function e. So if you want to derive e, d dx, e to the power x, then the derivative would just be e to the power x. You could also say d dx of e to the power ax, where a is a constant, and your answer would be a times e to the power ax. Then we could go and say d dx of e to the power u, where the answer would be e to the power u times u dash. And this is when you have a function inside of that value that would normally be x, a function of its own. Another way of saying it would be d dx to the e to the power u is equal to d du eu times du dx. And hopefully you now see that this will give you e to the power u times du dx. These two are the chain rule, so hopefully you are seeing that you are deriving the one function as well as the other function and multiplying them together. The first example that I'm going to do is just d dx of e to the power x. And so if you have e to the power x times d dx of x, it would be e to the power x times x 1 minus 1, which gives you e to the power x to the power 0. Hopefully from your exponent rules, you remember that x to the power 0 equals 1. And so the final answer is just e to the power x. The second example is d dx of 7e to the power x to the power 4. And so first we write 7e x to the power 4, and we will multiply it with d dx of x to the power 4. We get 7 times e to the power x to the power 4 times 4 times x 4 minus 1, which gives you 7e x to the power 4 times 4x to the power 3. And now we're just going to go and multiply our like terms and get 28x to the power 3 e to the power x, which is to the power of 4. That's your final answer. The third example is d dx of e to the power 3x squared. And this time we're going to make use of u, so d dx of e to the power u, where u is equal to 3x squared and u dash is equal to 6x. So it would just be d du e to the power u over du dx, which is equal to eu times du dx, which is equal to 6x times e to the power of 3x squared. The last example is going to be if my y is equal to e to the power x squared plus 2x, and I want to derive dy dx of e to the power x squared plus 2x. It is equal to dx dx, e to the power u, and my next step would just be e to the power u times du dx, where u is equal to x squared plus 2x, u dash is equal to 2x plus 2, and so the final answer would be 2x plus 2 in brackets times e to the power x squared plus 2x. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching for more differentiation.